Hello students, today we are going to start a new poem with explanation, and the name of the poem is Dad and the Cat and the Tree. As the name suggests, there are dad, cat and the tree. This is very interesting and humorous poem. Let's begin. This morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." Here, the poet is describing that one cat is stuck on the tree and Dad took all the responsibility of the cat and said, "Just leave it to me. I will see what we'll have to do with it. I will bring it down." तो अभी डैड ने कहा है, इसको मुझ पर छोड़ दो, इस कैट को मैं नीचे उतारूंगा. The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall. Mom said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." Here, poet is describing how was the tree here. What wobbles means? Wobbly means, it means that tree was not stable. Yes, it was moving. Fall, scoffed Dad. "A climber like me, child's play this is. You wait and see." So, here scoffed means he smiled and moved in joking manner. A climber like me. So, Dad is saying that मेरे जैसे क्लाइंबर नहीं गिर सकता, मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत आसान काम है. Child's play this is means this is very easy task for me. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. अभी डैड लाए थे लैडर और उन्होंने गार्डन शेड से निकाला, लेकिन वो स्लिप हो गई, फिसल गई. तो अभी डैड गिर गए. कहाँ पर? इन द फ्लावर बेड. So we saw that Dad was confident, very confident. And what happened while he was climbing the ladder? He slipped off it. "Never mind," Dad said, brushing the dirt off his hairs and his face and his trousers and his shirt. "We will try plan B. Stand out of the way." Mom said, "Don't fall again, okay?" So, plan B is the second plan. We don't call it plan 1 to 3. So, in place of 1 to 3, we used ABC. So, plan B is second plan. Out of the way. So, Dad कहते हैं कि सब हट जाओ, मैं इसे अपना सेकंड प्लान यूज करके उतारता हूँ अभी. अब Mom was really very worried for him. So, she said, "Please don't fall again. Okay? Now fall again." Dad said, "Funny joke." Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. So, what happens with the second plan? Yes, when Dad swung himself up on a branch, it broke. Why it broke? Because of the weight of Dad. अभी वो ब्रांच टूट गई. ब्रांच क्या थी? पेड़ की. Dad landed well back on the deck. Mom said, "Stop it, you will break your neck." So, Dad again गिर गए. "Rubbish," said Dad. "Now we will try plan C. Easy as winking. A climber like me." So now, Dad try his third plan. Now Dad is ready with his third plan. Then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He didn't fall. So now he took help of garden wall. He gave a leap. He gave a great leap and he landed flat in the crook of the tree trunk, right on the cat. Crook is the bended part of something, and here crook of the tree trunk means bended part of tree trunk. The cat gave a yell. The cat gave a yell means the cat got surprised and frightened, so he cried and sprang to the ground. And sprang to the ground, sprang means होता है suddenly jump. So cat suddenly jumped to ground, pleased as punch to be safe and sound. So it smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad is still stuck up the tree. अभी कैट तो नीचे आ गई, लेकिन डैड ऊपर फंस गए. दिस पोएम इज रिटन बाय किट राइट. आपने देखा डैड ने कितने सारे प्लान यूज़ किए. यहाँ पर उनका फर्स्ट प्लान था वो लैडर लाए. लैडर लाने के बाद एक बार तो वो गिर ही गए. फिर दूसरी बार उनके पास एक और प्लान रेडी था, प्लान बी. उसमें उन्होंने क्या किया, उसमें ही swung himself up on a branch. उन्होंने कोशिश की एक ब्रांच की हेल्प से ऊपर उठे, बट वो ब्रांच टूट गई. फिर उनके पास एक और प्लान था जिसमें उन्हें सक्सेस तो मिली, बट वो कैट तो इतना डर गई थी डैड के ऊपर पहुंचने से, वो खुद ही भाग गए.